Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to remove Copilot from Microsoft Edge. If you've noticed the Copilot button on your toolbar and want a cleaner browsing experience, this guide will help you turn it off completely. I'll walk you through exactly where to go in Microsoft Edge, which settings to select, and how to toggle the Copilot feature off so it no longer appears on your toolbar. This process is very simple, and I'll make sure to guide you through every step so you don't get confused. By the end of this video, you'll know how to manage this feature and make your Microsoft Edge toolbar look exactly the way you want. So let's open Edge and start the tutorial. First, what we want to do is open our Microsoft Edge browser. After that, go to the right side of the screen and click the three-dot icon. Then Options list down. After that, we will scroll down and click Settings. Then a new screen appears where we choose the Appearance section on the left side of the menu. After that, we will scroll down until we find Copilot and Sidebar menu, which opens a new screen. Then we will scroll down until we find the section Add Specific Settings. Under it, we find Copilot menu, which we are going to click. Then a new screen appears where we turn off the switch next to Show Copilot button on the toolbar. To sum up, this is the procedure for removing Copilot from Microsoft Edge. By going into the browser settings and turning off the option that shows the Copilot button on the toolbar, you can easily remove it and keep your browser interface cleaner and more organized. Managing these settings gives you more control over your tools and the way your browser looks, so you can work or browse without unnecessary distractions. Even small changes like this can make your daily browsing easier and more efficient. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.